Anji, Castoria, I want to give a special shout out to Parveen and Sheeda of Accrington, a couple that are my biggest fans, and I think they're my oldest fans. Castoria, right? Parveen, that means stealing the committee paise, Castoria Parveen, and Sheeda that means saving the committee paise, hiding it to one side. And I like to say to Parveen, Kuchi Khan said, give him his committee passe back, Nita come bigger Jassi. And you know his favourite saying, Mai gya, Twara pyo, Kuchi Khan, Accrington Puji Jassiya. But in their defence, I would just like to say that the money is going to a good cause, because they have got 10 children. What? 10 children? Did you have a TV in the house? So manji seriously, lago lag, casito na manji. Story, but we'll get to that later. The good cause is that Sheeda is opening his own football team with the kids. It's going to be called Accrington Stannies. Astoria. The Accrington Stannies football team. Rami Janio. Astoria. Stay blessed, Parveen and Sheeda. Keep it locked. Tusana tol vaji gaya. Astoria. Stay blessed.